Finish? Yes, good. Because they also use some advanced words. Because Raphael they also join Wednesday class. Okay, grammar all correct. Very good. Pronunciation. Okay, here. 1 for everyone. We learn married, right? Married, how to say? Okay. 结 fine. This one how to say? Yeah, 婚. Yeah, 婚. So 结婚, 我结婚了, right? Yeah, this 了 no part, this one. So it's 结婚. Yeah, 婚. 婚. Another one.
我结婚20年了。
Correct. I just said grammar all correct. Only pronunciation. So the pronunciation this one 是婚结婚了。Another one 公司 Raphael. Another one 公司 again. This one no e. Yes. So like number 4. Yes. Because you said 公司. Yes, now correct. Okay, 公司 other fine. Yes. Next one. Who did the homework? Who else? Yes.
I need a dialogue. It's in a shop.
In your shop, dialogue. Okay, let's listen. Yes.
你好，美女。你好。
你好，美女。你好。Beginning she said, 美女。你好. So what's 美女? In the restaurant, let's learn one word very useful because when you go to a convenient shop or you go to restaurant, so usually how do you call the people who work there? How do you call the waitress, waiter? If a man has to call what? Okay, so in the restaurant or the 7-Eleven, whatever the shop, they offer you service. So no matter it's a girl or boy, we can use one word. Okay, I use the same. Okay, how to read? How to read? Yes. 服务员 exception with 2 dots. Okay. When you read 服务 together quickly, this is clear. Now listen. This is 服务员 Yes. So 服务员 Yeah. 服务员 服务员 means the waiter, waitress, no matter girl or boy, no matter what kind of shop, can be restaurant, can be 7-Eleven, can be a bar, can be any place. If they offer you service, you can call them this one. Okay, yeah. So be waiter, waitress, 服务员. This one is a real name, original general name for waiter and waitress. Okay, and just she use 美女. Some people use 美女. That only for girls, and that means a beautiful lady. If sometimes you see she's so ugly, you don't want to call 美女. Okay, so when you call this one it's fine any situation because this is a real name for them. Okay. Okay, so this one, yes, 服务员 because 服务 actually means service. Yes. 服务 actually means service. For example, if you want to say, oh, this restaurant, the service is very good, or this restaurant service not good, then you can say 服务很好 or 服务不好 Yes. So 服务是 service. Then add 服务员 for the people who work there. Yes. So today when you go out, you try work or not. Yes. How to say? Good. Yes. 服务员 Yes. You put 服务 together. Then it's clear. 服务员 Yes, yes, yes. Okay, fine.
How you write the
Yes. "美女" means beautiful lady. So, in the restaurant, sometimes you want to be like a little bit flatter. So then you call 美女，我要咖啡。So you hope they give you better service, better quality. This only for girl, okay? Yes. So in the restaurant, yeah, the girl you can call 美女。But I tried. When the restaurant is not busy, you call the girl 美女. She happy, give you better service. If the restaurant is very crowded, super busy, usually you call 美女, they don't hear. But you shout 服务员, they immediately come. You know why? Because so crowded, they not pay attention. Also, 美女 is not their name. So it can be many other customers, maybe you call 美女. But you call 服务员, they immediately can hear. So depends on the situation. Okay? Any question?
menu is not specific just for beautiful waitress, right? Menu.
美女
It's only for lady.
for lady, yeah?
Only for lady, but
Also in
not.
the street, if you meet a girl,
In the
if you
street.
say, "Monsieur menu," it's
Ah.
a compliment.
Fine, fine. Yes, fine. Then maybe, yes, easy can find a girlfriend. At least the first time, then the girl say, oh, wow, call 美女.
And how to say ugly girl?
Ugly girl.
Better don't say.
I want to ask you, you really want to learn that? Yes?
Is oftentimes I'll hear Chinese people say Liang Zai or Liang Nu. Is it the same thing?
Yes, the same thing. 美女 also can say 靓女, exactly the same. Yeah, the same, 美女 or 靓女. Exactly the same means beautiful girl. So which one for you easy to remember you can use? Yes. And for boy,
Liang Zai.
you see lady want to know how to say handsome boy, how to say. Yes. For handsome boy, you can say 帅哥 or 靓仔 because look, 靓女, 靓仔 or 帅哥. So for boy. My experience in the restaurant, when the restaurant not busy, actually use this one work better. Really, the boy give you so good service, offer you many things for free. They bring you fruit, they bring you sunflower seeds, they bring you snack. Really, work very well. Try, ladies, try. Yes, you can call 靓仔 or 帅哥. Yes. Yes. Okay, pronunciation. This one 是帅哥. Yeah, 帅 because 哥 means brother, 哥哥. Okay, bye bye. So 帅哥是 handsome. 帅 means handsome. 哥 like brother. So 帅哥. This one how to say? 靓仔. Yeah, 靓仔. 帅哥 maybe better. 帅哥. 帅 because 帅 means handsome. 帅哥. Yes. Remember, when the restaurant not very crowded, not very busy, then work very well. If very crowded, very busy, you better use yes. 服务员. Okay.